Hello friends, today we are going to now how we to take a chiller reading. It's like morning nearly 5 o'clock am. Basically a chiller have inlet pump and supply and return pump, but some of designs have only one primary pump, so that's why supply have only pump for chiller. In this area in three chillers available. Each chiller have two primary pumps. Okay, these are the 6 pumps. If one of these two pumps, one pump is running, that was the pressure. Okay, yeah, the pressure is nearby 3.8 bar, okay. Now this pump is running. This pump is off condition. Okay, this is the pump emergency push button. If any emergencies, the push buttons are pushed by the operator, then the pump is shut down. Also the chiller also tripped. Okay, this is the butterfly valve. This is airlock vent for the chilled water supply line. Okay, this is a 75 chiller. This is old model 75 chiller TR. The chiller have control power, soft starter alarm, HFD trip and comfort run trip alarm, and power control switches and compressor on switch. This was the manual operating key. If the chiller is locally, now the chiller is running manually. If the chiller is remotely taken, the chiller is controlled by BMS or automatically. Okay, this is the reset button. Okay, now come to the point. Okay, this is the menu button. Now we are pressing the menu button. The supplier temperature is 10.6 degrees Celsius, return temperature 10.9 degrees Celsius. Suction pressure of this chiller is 45 pounds per square inch, and the discharge pressure is 115 psi. Also we have to down arrow click. Then we have to now the chiller amps 66 amps and discharge temperature 37.4, and discharge superheat for this chiller in currently 2.7 degrees Celsius. Also the oil level and starter, so digital input conditions are be shown in this display. Okay, next down the button, main display is shown. Again next button is click it, and compressor 1 status, compressor status okay, alarm no, and amps of this compressor 65 amps, FLA A1, expected maximum amps 105, target 30.5%. Capacity of this chiller currently 56.9. The status of this on condition. Now this is the running hours of the chiller. Run hour is 30 hours, cycle 1, today 23 hours. Last on it will be shown in this display. Okay, next is we have to move the next. This was the set point changing settings. Okay, this is also timers